Let's ABC time. Ready? Let's go.
I learned color's name. Let's learn with me step by step. This is a light green color, brown color, green color, purple color, light pink color, red color, orange color, light blue color, and yellow color. I learned uppercase letter and lowercase letter A to F. A, uppercase letter B, C, D, E, F, small letter A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's paint. Brown color. A for airplane. Small letter A for aunt. Uppercase letter B for balloon. Small letter B for banana. Yellow color C for cow. Small letter C for candy. D for donut. Small letter D for dog. Green color E for elbow. Small letter E for egg. F for frog. Small letter F for fish. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Let's repeat learn. A, small letter C, small letter C. D, small letter D. E, small letter E. F, small letter F. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.